Welcome to my YouTube channel Ahluwalia Bharat Engineering Works. The machine you are looking in this video is being transported to Andhra Pradesh through transportation service. Our company supplies all India. The video is being translated to English because the South people understand English. You can directly order if you are from Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala. We supply through transportation service to all India, including Maharashtra and all India. If you want to order, you can first you have to deposit the booking amount because every machine is being ready only on order because the selling is high, and so you have to firstly deposit the booking amount, then the remaining amount when your order will be ready you will be provided bill and bill TLR copy through WhatsApp for your surety. So if you are from anywhere through India, you can just order from our company. We will provide you bill and bill. Also, you can video call if you want to look our company. So thank you.